Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 5th of October. This is James Spann. Our summer-like weather continues through the weekend, but next week the pattern begins to change. Big old upper high, you know the deal, sitting right on top of us. That thing's been very persistent this week. That's the reason it's been so warm and so dry. But up north, it's pretty cold. They got 30s and 40s, the nation bisected by a front. But for now, the cold air stays north of here. Got flash flood watches in effect for Chicago and areas to the west. Otherwise, things are quiet this morning. Severe storms possible today for parts of the southern plains. We're dry. Tomorrow, again, pretty much rain-free for the state. Day 3, which is Sunday. Again, we're mostly dry here. Severe storms possible well to the west. Got some big rains for the next 7 days across the nation's heartland. Parts of North Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas. But numbers are coming up here, and we'll begin to see scattered storms coming back next week, especially over the latter half of the week. Rain amounts 1/2 to 1 inch for the north, possibly over 2 inches for parts of South Alabama. And the tropics, Leslie, that thing might be there at Christmas. It's just hanging around now, a tropical storm. It will slowly work its way to the east, southeast in coming days. But the feature we're watching is that disturbance in the western Caribbean. The Hurricane Center now with a 60% chance of that becoming a depression or storm within 5 days. Coming up toward the southern Gulf. This output from the European ensemble showing the chance of a tropical depression forming, and numbers are ramping up over the central Gulf. Just something to watch for now. Way too early to know the final destination if anything forms down there. Let's take a look at modeling. This is the GFS, the 06C run, valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock. And this is about 18,000 feet off the ground. We got the upper high right on top of us, so no big change today. Big trough to the west. We're expecting highs 87 to 90 in most locations with a partly sunny sky. And again, there could be a shower today, but the chance of your front yard getting wet, only about 5 to 10%. Same thing tomorrow and the same thing Sunday. For the weekend, the weather just not changing. Highs 87 to 90, partly to mostly sunny with any showers few and far between. Go to Monday, snow cranks up in the Rockies. Maybe some severe weather south and east of that surface low that's east of Denver. But again, for us, Monday looks fairly dry with only isolated showers. Really not much change on Tuesday. The deeper moisture to the east, but Wednesday, we should begin to see an increase in the number of showers and storms with the ridge weakening. This is Thursday, again, a front just north of here. It'll have a hard time pushing through, but we'll see lower temperatures because of clouds and showers. And a week from today, this is Friday the 12th, the ridge really beat down, a big trough to the west, and a new surface low forms over Kansas. And if this verifies, that'll be a whopper of a snowstorm for parts of Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota. And we might see some active storms as the air becomes unstable south and east of that thing. So we'll have to watch for that. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 14th. The ridge is gone. The trough begins to take over, and the surface front is on to the east. And we are in cooler, refreshing air if this verifies. And I wanted to show you one output here. This is coming off the European. This is for Saturday, the 13th of October. And it shows a little tropical low down there at Gulf Shores. And that's the feature that is now over the western Caribbean. And again, we stress there's no skill in identifying what that thing does. That's just one idea. Oh, yeah. So for the summer fans, they love this. But for the cool fans, they're cranky. So if you're a cranky autumn fan, this ought to make you happy. Output from the European, showing highs dropping in the 60s and lows in the upper 40s out there at mid-month. Be patient. It's coming. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. Well, I've notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.